Dear friends, once I was invited by an engineering college to give a talk on innovation. I gladly accepted the invite because innovation was and is one of my favorite topics. Besides, I had enough ideas for my talk. So, on that day when I was supposed to deliver my speech, I sat down in front of my computer and started preparing my presentation. As luck would have it, hardly 10-15 minutes into my preparation, there was an unscheduled power cut. So I had no power backup. I knew I had a big challenge to face. The only way out was to deliver the speech without any visual aid. Little difficult. But luckily, I got an idea. So I took a piece of paper and started doodling human faces. We call emojis with different facial expressions. And scribbled down all the information that had the potential to evoke the feeling of that emoji, corresponding emoji. So on this fashion, I populated the entire sheet. Even now I remember the first emoji had a curious looking face with raised eyebrows and mouth wide open. And the points corresponding to that emoji were surprising facts about the topic. So with this sheet of paper, I went to the stage, placed my paper on the podium and delivered my speech. I could safely conclude that the speech was a success because the expression I saw in the face of my audience, most of my audience, was very much similar to what was there in my doodles. So I was very happy. I retained the paper for a long time after the speech, after that event. So I invite you, friends, if you want to try something new while you are preparing your speech copies next time, try doodle emojis and organize your speech content based on the emojis. So because a public speech is a form of a performing art. So like music, like singing, like dance, drama, it has everything to do with emotions. So whether there is a power cut or not, if you want to give an electrifying speech, try Doodle. Thank you.